So Terminal 7 is not the place to get off to go to the TWA hotel. Terminal 5 is where you want to go.
We apologize for this inconvenience.
This time I'll get in the front car of the train.
Train passengers. Airline Terminal 5 and 4. Our next stop will be Terminal 5.
Alright, there it is, peeking out from under the pedestrian bridge. Alright, there it is. What a beautiful building. Check the music. Almost there. AstroTurf. Alright, this is too much. There's a TWA route map on the sewer lid. Good work, guys. There appear to be some fountains here. Oops, one nozzle got bent. I see a Lincoln convertible and a VW microbus. Damn, this is cool. I really like the downspout, if you want to call it that, the drain on the roof. See that? Very cool. So I've been ignoring this. I think this is original cast concrete. I could be wrong. Nah, that's modern. Sure looks nice though. She must work there. See the red pants? Here's that downspout. It drains into this grate here. And that's obviously me, my shadow. Whoa. Alright, time to go in. Okay, so this is a pretty cool minibus, microbus. I like the seating. Uh-oh, somebody left the window open. No, I don't want to break it. This Lincoln Continental looks a little rough. I'd say in the winter maybe close the top. Just an idea. Holy shit. Minor gripe. The red and green balls are LEDs. British Airways, Alitalia, Piedmont, Uzbekistan, Air France, TWA, JetBlue. $3:33. Is the clock right? Sure enough. Kind of the shape of a heart. I love architecture that is inspiring. Like this. Love that sound. Here is the Super Connie. The interior is not vintage. It's been drastically changed. It doesn't look like it's open either. Oh, maybe the rear? No. Got to take some stills. Okay, there's the Super Connie. And this is a tunnel to the terminal. Unfortunately, I can't really walk the length of it because my pelicans are unguarded behind me. Damn, that's cool. Apparently the grade exceeds 2%. Non-accessible. Alright, this is an interesting point. I haven't mentioned this yet, I don't think. The tile is very cool. Teeny tiny little, it's a mosaic composed of teeny tiny little tiles. They're like smaller than the diameter of a dime. Man, this is cool. I feel like I'm 10.